How to file taxes cheap or for low cost. So the first thing you'll need to do is start with the IRS free file. So you can use the guided tax software for free if your AGI is 90 or is $89,000 or below. You can access that if you go to the irs.gov, click on the Files section, and then click on Individuals. Then click on File your taxes for free online. And you should see two options here, whether using the guided software or the fillable forms. So you would use the free file fillable forms if your income is higher, or you can do the return yourself, which is the free option below here. And if you can't do that by yourself and you need help, it's usually recommended to use the guided tax software, which will guide you through the process of filing, but this will cost a bit more money than the free one. You can also check the free file state filing options here, because some IRS free file partners offer free state returns, depending on your state and income, of course. The next step is to look for Vita help, because the IRS Vita program offers free tax help for people who qualify, usually based on your income, disability, limited English, or other needs. If you need more info about that, you can basically type Vita in the search here, and it will give you more info about that. The next step, you can also use TCE if you are older. So tax counseling for the elderly offers free tax help, mainly for people age 60 or older. So you can definitely take advantage of that. Next, you would need to avoid unnecessary upgrades, specifically if you're using tax software, because they might push paid plans, but you should only really upgrade if your tax situation actually requires it, because most of the time they just want to sell you things they might not even need. And if you think that you do not qualify for free filing, you can choose a service with free federal filing and cheap state filing, at least. So you can compare low-cost software. If you click on Explore Free Guided Software here, it should basically show you all the trusted partners. And then you can compare the options here and pick the best one. And the last thing you can do is basically file early and use the e-file option or the electronic file option, because e-filing with direct deposit is usually cheaper, faster, and safer than mailing a paper return. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.